To set up multiplayer on Mario Kart Live, you have to have one as the host and then the other people are going to join into the host's game. So this is player 1 and this is player 2. You can have up to 4 players, but each of them need their own kart and switch. So over here we're going to go to multiplayer and we're going to go to host game. And now that's setting up the game there. Over here we're going to go to multiplayer and now it's going to search for other games, and it's come up here, MMV's game, which is this one here. So tap on that there and now it's going to join the game, and you will see in a minute that it will come up with MMV and Vince here, and then on this one it will also come up with MMV and Vince. So have a look there, you can see 2 slots are taken out of 4, and this one here, again 2 slots are taken out of 4. So now you will be able to race together on the same tracks. If you had more people wanting to join, then you could do player 3 and player 4 the same as you did on this one here. Thanks for watching.